Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. BMW X5, very hard to start in the morning. When I start, engine like boom, 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 and sometimes when get hot a little bit, engine stable. And when turn off, start again, engine no good. Start boom, 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 like this, and you feel like engine and injector is no good, something like this. I'm going to show you what is the problem and how I did fix it, okay? Please don't forget, push the like button and subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. Enjoy watching. I am going to show you what attached behind the manifold and under the manifold. This one for the pipe, for the diesel pipe. You see, I'm going to show you now. See the diesel pipe and the cable for the gearbox and the vacuum hose on the side. And there's the see this clips here for the hoses, and there's another thing I'm going to show you now. Push the like button, yeah, don't forget. Thank you very much. See this hoses here, 1, 2. I moved the throttle body to reach see the oil stick, dipstick, and this one click under the manifold. Make sure don't let the rubbish go inside the cylinder head. This clip here, and this pipe from the HGR in the front of the engine around. But I'm going to show you what is the problem, why the car in the morning is very hard to start, and when start looks like an engine gone. You see this manifold stuck because of the dirt inside, and the motor cannot turn this open doors. See the flip here, stuck, so the motor cannot open them. That's why the engine make big noise. And see the connector already off, so the motor is working but connector off because the doors are stuck for the flippers. Now I'm going to clean them very well, and I show you after cleaning. Same problem when I turn on the engine in the morning, even anytime, you hear like tuck 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 tuck, and sometimes doesn't start. You think, oh, maybe injector is no good, something like that. No, that's the problem. Like this, you're going to see what's inside. It's very dirty. So I'm going to put it in the engine's washing machine. Let all this rubbish go out. This motor is alright, it's working. You see, moving it. I know, I told you before. Push the like button. You see how this one dirty, and all the pipe here, they are blocked, so engine cannot breathe. See the dirt stuck everywhere. I'm taking off this one to make it easy to clean. This one only it's connector and can fit in one place. You cannot take it off and let it fit different direction. It's only one direction with the motor direction. So now it's working and nothing broken. They all working, but I'm going to clean them well now, and I'll show you after clean how they are looks like. Just I'm telling you this, the handle is going to the other side. So look, it's very clean now. If you look at it, it's very clean inside. And I put the motor back. Keep watching because I'm going to show you something very important. This one has 3 bolts only. If would you like to watch my videos and you like me to make more videos like this, please consider pushing the like button and subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. Thank you very much. Now after I put the motor, I press the on the side, make sure the motor will open and close freely, doesn't stuck. So there's a window here on the side. I'll show you. You see this one can push. See, it's working, and the flaps should open and close with the motor. I know the motor is working, but make sure it's not stuck. I'll show you now how it's working. See, it's going open and close by itself, and inside all clean. Inshallah, after this clean, engine will run from first start, from first second, and engine idle will be very nice and everything working well. Like, subscribe and comment and share the video with your friend. Thanks.